There are two reports. One is a Bitcoin and altcoin forecast. The other one is a long-term Bitcoin algorithm forecast. This report here consists only of Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin specific report. We have always had it like that since we started in 2016. Many people say, oh, but you don't post the altcoins in the long-term Bitcoin report. It has never, ever really been in there. And let me explain this to you quickly. The long-term Bitcoin report, when we started in 2016, was specifically designed for Bitcoin. Until today, there are people that are only trading Bitcoin, thousands of people, and they make use of this data. They only interested in Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, and perhaps one other coin like Sol. And this may come into this report, the long-term Bitcoin report, where we're going to put Ethereum in. You have to remember that things have changed as well now with the ETFs in Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin has been hacked. It's not a coin for the little guy anymore. It was designed for you and me. But with all these banks and all the banksters, the gangsters, they've taken it over. And we have repeatedly said that the fact that Bitcoin is now has an ETF and not just one, multiple ETFs, it's it's not good news for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin has run up a lot. It's going to stop and stabilize. Of course, it will do 100% move, 140, 150, then it'll come down again and retrace 50%, and then it'll go up again. All of you know now, by now, more or less what the Bitcoin algorithm shows. Let's go back to, for example, in 2019. If you can recall, many of the members are here, and we've actually grown substantially. Here in 2019, we had about 1,000 members. Now there's a lot more. There's thousands of members. At that point here, remember, this was a Bitcoin education update. I just brought randomly up one report. On 8 January, if you look through this report, very basic reports that we have written, this is a Bitcoin only report where we talk about the exit plan in Bitcoin, and then extra technical data and Bitcoin value indicator, the stuff that we had in at that point, what the algorithm is supposed to do. Then we also spoke a little bit about world stock markets, which will be in the Bitcoin report now and then. That was literally about how to farm the year as a crypto farmer. How do you farm? Because you use Bitcoin. When Bitcoin moves, the altcoins will move in synchronization with Bitcoin. So this was also what we showed the super cycle, and then how we harvest, and then a model portfolio that's in there. And that was about it. Then this was actually the famous call that we made where we said 2017 on December sell and get out. This was in there, just explaining how we use the algorithm. And that was the end of the report. Then, as many of you can remember now, similar to this now, this is the Bitcoin and altcoin forecast. Can you remember that we had the top 40 cryptocurrencies? This has always been a separate report. So there's been a Bitcoin report, and then there's been a what we called a top 40 cryptocurrency report. So there's always been the differences in the reports. This report has now evolved and is now called the Elliott Wave Bitcoin and altcoin algorithm forecast. It's a lot more accurate, a lot more advanced. And this is why we call it an advanced report. And in this report, for example, you got a separate report. We would have, let's say, for example, a heading there, and we talk about the index, the model portfolio, risk management, and then all the coins alphabetically, which we had at that time. And then we gave the percentages that we can do. And most of these targets were surprisingly really hit to perfection. Remember, we made, and look at those percentages, for goodness sake, I'm just looking at it now. And remember now, we used these targets very, very quickly. Now, remember, the market has changed. You cannot trade without indicators anymore. You've got Wendy's indicator, which is the Harlnater, or sorry, Harlnater indicator, as well as another one that Wendy uses, Harl Fire. And then you've got Nico and Corey's indicator, which is the Detonator ABC. And then, of course, we recommend that you do the 2 training courses when you get into bitcointaf.com, because otherwise what's going to happen is you're not going to understand these reports. I just want to clarify that the top 20 crypto report is now and has always been a separate report, but has evolved to the Elliott Wave Bitcoin and altcoin algorithm forecast. This is an advanced report like you have never ever seen. We get so many quality reviews from people all around the world for this. There's nobody in the world that does anything like this. And quite frankly, they cannot because they haven't got the Bitcoin algorithm. I know because I developed it. There's nobody in the world apart from Wall Street that has got something similar to us. How do I know? Because they are questioning me, where did I get my data from? And I'm going to get into something further now where Wall Street is really trying to close us down with all their power, all their might, and they will not be able to do it. They literally think that we stole their data or hacked their data. Our data is so advanced, far advanced on their data. Our data can actually scrap their data and see when they change things, and then our algorithm with Bitcoin changes. They just don't like the fact that we can bring this data to the market. In this advanced report, you are going to find the altcoin super cycle of quarter number 4, which they also have. Wall Street has that too. Then you've got the altcoin historical algorithm. Remember, this one here is in a review and a test phase. It's extremely difficult to take almost approximately 20 million altcoins around the world and scrape the data and try and figure out what these coins are going to do. We have now narrowed it down to, let's say, the top 500 coins in the world. But still, the data in the altcoins come through distorted. Some coin will rise and some coin will drop. So now we've allocated it not to the top 500, but to certain coins that are solid and moving very well. Give us a bit of time. We can have a perfect altcoin algorithm. Now, this data is actually 100% correct. You can see like a coin like, for example, ZEC has already done that. It went up 1,000+%. Multiple coins are going to do that. I will not be surprised if most of the coins are there. They're going to go to the top, come down, and then have a vertical spike. The problem here is timing which coin is going to move. And this is why I'm saying that all of us need to use the indicators of Wendy, Nico, and Corey. Because when you use those indicators, you cannot go wrong. Those indicators are objective data. It will warn you before the market spikes, because that's where you want to buy. And you'll find that Nico's indicator will come and give you green on the bottom, and it will warn you when it's on the top, and it will give you like a red dot on the top. And if you use the indicators in confluence with other indicators, like, for example, like I show here, the trend line. Remember, markets go up as well, and then it starts doing what we call a king's crown, and then it creates, like, let's say, another trend line to the upside there, similar to when this breaks out here. If that trend line does that and it breaks here, you may as well just sell, and you'll notice that the red dots will come on too, and when this indicator will have a top pivot, guys, you cannot go wrong. Everybody should be making money. In this advanced report is, remember what I'm saying, it's a Bitcoin and an altcoin report. There's also the Bitcoin algorithm in there, which, guys, I don't want to brag here, and it's not about bragging, because one day we are going to be wrong. It's got 100% accuracy rate. If you say that today, you get annihilated on Twitter or X or YouTube. So we don't say that, and we don't really want to say it, but we put it in the report there so that you can see it and you know it's 100% accurate. I mean, for goodness sake, go and have a look at all this data. It's unbelievable. We are refining the data bit by bit, and I'm going to go into that shortly as well. So to recap, remember this now, and then let me just quickly go down here. Just for the new members here, I see there's a lot of new members that have signed up just in this last 10 days, like a lot of people. Go through the data. When you read through this, you'll see that we talk about Bitcoin. We also talk about the historical data, so we don't hide anything. And you can see when we made the call here, we said buy Bitcoin. Then the rest is history, and you can see every single move. And we don't do that after the effect. We give it in advance, way in advance. Here was it on the bottom. We were waiting for that. And if you go back here, we also said we're going to exit there. The market is going to go down for 9 months plus 3 months. And did you know that to the date, I think it was about 9 November on the top, 1 year later, 9 November at the bottom, and the market turned. It created that banana move that we said we're waiting for. We said we won't know where the bottom is unless we see a banana move. And then right on that day, it went up, and the rest is 100% correct. Without a doubt, nobody can argue that. Then in this report, what you're going to have, I'm just going to stop you with Aave, is you get Aave, for example, all numbered, and you have a long-term cycle. Remember, this is the 7-day cycle. We're showing what the market's going to do. I'm showing you the 1.68 fib. All these targets, I'm telling you this now without a shadow of a doubt. The only thing that you're fighting against is time. These targets will be hit. They will be hit. And then here I give you the day chart, what is happening here. One of the strongest movements here, remember, is your trend line. Once it breaks, it goes up. And then you can use Nico's indicator here. I'm putting that in there so you can see that, how it works. Go and get it, guys. Make use of that. Detonator A, B, C. I haven't got detonator A in. That's the VWAP, very important. And then you can put your own things in here as well. Like I've got the MACD. I put my trend lines in. And I make sure that I put my Fibonacci extensions in. How will you know how to use that? By doing the courses. Go and do the Arnold's course if you are new. That's the first course you do. You have to start learning how to trade short term, like scalp trading short term. Once you cover that, you've got it. You go to the advanced course with Nico and Corey, which is your ultimate trading course. Then we're going to teach you how to trade on the 4-hour, 12-hour. Wendy's going to do that too as well in Hodlnuts, but you have to do that first. So you'll learn all the basics there. Then you're going to get into the big boy money, what Wall Street knows. And once you've done the Hodlnuts and the UTC course, you're ready to go. Do not try and skip the training courses. I'm telling you this now. This guy in South Africa, he went and sold a bunch of businesses that he had. He came out with about $500,000. I had a call with him. He wanted to apply the money. I said, look, I'm going to tell you this now. Before you apply the money and get into the market, I want you to do the 2 courses. I'm not going to say what business he was, but it's totally not related with finances or cryptos or stocks. He never knew anything. So he knew nothing about dollars. He just knew how to make money in his business. And then what happened is he decided, no, I'm smart enough. I'll learn it as I go. I'm not going to mention your name if you're on the call here, but we can basically say that he drove all that money down to $10,000. Okay. He had to start all over. Now he's rebuilding his portfolio. This was almost about 6 months ago. What happened at that point is he went back, he did the Arnold's course, he did the UTC course. He understands now, he realizes the mistakes he made. But look at that. You have to be educated, guys. You have to be educated. You cannot think that you're smart and you're going to just make money all over the place. And let me tell you another thing with me too. In this report, okay, of course, this one is just the average cryptocurrency playbook. Most coins have now broken up there. You realize that we're in that cycle there. Some coins are actually breaking up there and some coins are sitting there. This is the average playbook, what's going to happen. We are sitting here on the bottom for an extended time, a very long time. But what I want to show you here is something very important, is this one here, an example of enter and exit. What I do, I'm going to try and make it a little bit bigger. See this thing here, which is a buy and sell cheat sheet. Go and read through that, prepare your own. I used to trade with this, and then at one point, I decided, now I'm smart enough. Remember, it happens with me too. I thought I'm smart enough. I'm going to dump that cheat sheet. I can just look at the chart now and say, hey, this is going to break out. I'm buying. And then suddenly the market comes down. And then I started losing out of 10 trades, about 4 or 5. And I said, listen, no, wait a second. 5 out of 10 is a really bad ratio. I'm willing to lose 1 out of 10 or 0. Then I went and turned back to the cheat sheet. Lo and behold, I lose 0 out of 10 trades. Because I'm using this. I'm prompting myself and asking myself the questions now based on Wendy's indicator, Nico and Corey's indicator, and my own analysis. Now, there's an updated version of this now that I have. I would recommend prepare your own. I create a scorecard. Is this a good buy, yes or no? To recap, remember this now. This here is the old top 40 crypto report. Remember, there was also a top 20. Then we converted it to top 40. So that was the old report that has converted into that. Then this report here, the long-term trade report for Bitcoin, is still the old Bitcoin report, which was there. Remember, we provided a Bitcoin-only report and then an altcoin report. Some of the people that are still on the call here came from other websites where people had a white label agreement with Bitcoin Trend and Forecast, the company in Australia. Like, for example, Python Signals and To Know It, and there were 4 other companies around the world. One was also a Wall Street company. If you had an agreement with that company, sometimes in the report we would add a coin or 2, but you never ever had access to the Elliott Wave report. The white label only used to be the long-term Bitcoin report. Now we don't provide white label reports anymore because we're protecting our data, because people go crazy with this data when they find it. We've got new members that have signed up in this week, and they've been in cryptos for 10 years. And they looked at the Bitcoin algorithm, they cannot believe it. They go like, wow, if I just knew this data. So many members that are here, you may look at the data and you go like, you're so used to the data And you may see, oh, well, the data is just, I get used to it. But you have to realize people that come here, they go like, what the heck did I just see? And I can tell you big names. The big names have asked me not to mention, like literally big, big, big names of people that are now using this data. I used to use the names that they've asked me not to, but they even use this data now in terms of Bitcoin. I'm going to go quickly and address another thing here quickly. On bitcointaf.com, the Bitcoin Trend and Forecast website, you've got your Elliott Wave report here, which contains Bitcoin and altcoins, and you've got your long-term report, which is the Bitcoin only report. What we've done here, if you go here and you say view, you're going to see that if you sign up for the long-term Bitcoin report only, that we have given all our members a little bit of extra data here. For a limited time, once you sign up for the long-term trade report, you get the Elliott Wave report added for free automatically. Keep that in mind. Now I'm going to bring you over to the old website, mariuslandman.com. If you go to mariuslandman.com, for those people that are there, and there's still 1,000 people on this old website, guys, we have constantly said, cancel your subscription in mariuslandman.com, go over to bitcointaf.com. Today is the last webinar that you are going to be able to access from mariuslandman.com. There's the link, and you're on the call here. There will not be further updates here. You can click the link, sign up, and move over to bitcointaf.com. Why are we asking people to go over to bitcointaf.com? Very simple. It's a very secure website. You do not realize this, but the mariuslandman.com website is a very unsecure website. The website goes down, then we have to refigure how to get it back. It's because there are people working against us all around the world, not little guys. These are corporations that are trying to knock us down. When you go to, let's say this one here, which is bitcointaf.com, I'm going to bring this up now here. When you log into your own account, it will say app.bitcointaf.com. We redeveloped this entire website from scratch, spent hundreds of thousands of dollars to build this website. I physically went in 3 places in the world and set up 3 servers, and nobody knows where it is. And the website is hosted on 3 locations through a hopping service, so that when they attack us on one hosting service, it just simply hops over to the next one. And then if they attack us on the second one, if they even know where that is, it hops over to the next one. And then we've got the redundancy one, which nobody knows where it is. I can activate that immediately. Boom, the website is live and you've got access to it. We have implemented so many security walls. We're probably as strong as an American weapons manufacturer defense company. One of the reasons we want to do that is to give you peace of mind that this is a secure website. Second thing is we've created data here for you. It looks like there's a lot going on there. But when you log in, you're going to start with your dashboard here versus, let's say, for example, the old mariuslandman.com website. You're going to log in, you're going to put your 2-factor authentication on, boom, you secure, you logged in. Because remember, you make money out of this too, because if you refer people, you make money. We want you to protect that money. When you go here, you're going to see your notifications there. Very important. The subscriptions that you subscribe to, you're going to have notifications there. And by the way, the new app, phone app is going to come out as well. Give us about 3 weeks. You'll be able to watch videos. You can zoom in on the videos with your fingertips. We've created some really great changes there. Now remember, then this will be your calendar. You can see what events is happening. And then here is just an idea of what's happening. There's the expired subscriptions and then support tickets. You can go through that. This is how you build your business referrals, etc. And you can go down and you can see online products here, etc., etc. This is where you join Telegram. Make sure that you are connected to every single Telegram that you subscribe to. Then you get your online store here. This is where you can go and have a look at your products. There's your orders for your tax purposes. And then here is my subscriptions. So when you log in, you go to your dashboard, you can see immediately notifications. Then you just simply click on your subscriptions. Very easy to go through. The welcome to bitcointaf.com will be on top. Then the BTAF token will be there. Connect your MetaMask wallet. We do airdrops there and you get some extra tokens. Then you get into your long-term and your Elliott Wave. And when you click, for example, here on this, you can see that you can post a review there. You can read blog posts. You can see that one means I have not read the latest blog post, but I have actually because I wrote it. And then you can go to events, your documents, your videos. This will just tell you if you read your information and if there's anything new. Make sure this is always zero. So let's say if I go to events, I can clearly see there's two events here, one today and one next week. Now, what I can do, I can go to documents and it will bring up all the latest document here on top, 6th January. You can go and view it immediately there and it will tell you new. I have not read it. But if I go and read it now and then come back, it will actually show me that you have read it. So it says they're viewed. If you want to make money, you need to take cryptocurrency serious or you need to leave and go back and work at McDonald's. Because if you are not going to read every single report and watch every single video, you are literally wasting your time here. And if you are not going to implement management systems, like, for example, using the indicators, you're also wasting your time because you're going to come to a top of a pivot, a top of a cycle, and you're not going to get out because, number one, you don't read the reports, you don't watch the videos, you don't use the indicators. And then what's going to happen is you're going to blame us and say that we are not doing our work. That we make wrong calls. Guys, you cannot go wrong. I know because I trade and I'm making money at the moment and everybody here is. Now, remember this from the two subscriptions here. There's a difference between the long term. This is a Bitcoin report and this is the Elliott Wave report. Under the videos of the long term, there's not going to be Zoom calls here for Bitcoin. It'll only go here under the Elliott Wave report. There's the Zoom calls, and then we're going to upload to differentiate between the people that only want the Bitcoin data. Under the videos will only be the Bitcoin analysis. Like this video here of 5 and 6 January consists of Bitcoin only. And then your Bitcoin and altcoin data will be in the Elliott Wave report. And then, of course, guys, remember, if you want to make this website uncomplicated, you'll notice that there's a business builder, the affiliate section there. If you don't want that, just go and turn it off here. See there? Turn it off. And then you've got minimal data there. So if you don't want to make money by referring people, turn it off. But if you are going to refer people, turn it on. And then you'll see extra buttons here. Like, for example, if I go to Business Builder here, I'm going to go to my affiliate dashboard. You've got a total different dashboard. In about 2 days, we pay commissions out again, and people get paid every single week. You can see here that I made $114,000 just by referring people. I converted that into Bitcoin. So you use that money and put it into cryptos. And then, of course, you can see how many referrals there are. And remember, everybody comes in, build their own downline. I've only got about 7,158 people in my downline. Of the total number of sales is 15,000. There's people that have got 30,000 people in their downline, 40, 60,000 people. So just like you, I started my own business. I didn't take the top spot. You come in, you refer people, sign them up left, right, teach them to do the same. People bring in people. That's how we're going to build a business, and that's how we're going to get to 1 million people in bitcointf.com. We'll be the largest subscription base in years to come, and we're only getting started. We have not even seen what is happening in the world in cryptos yet.